The original challenge that we were facing was that our existing SIT system was very out of date, needed either updating radically or replacing. So that became a major program, 2 years plus delivery, and we identified a need to have 6 major releases in the initial plan in order to bring that live. It covers most of the student life cycle, hence the name of the program, and there's many aspects to that, right down from the initial application of students to apply to the university through admissions, managing the whole sort of 3 years at the university, including setting up exams, even through to graduation ceremonies. Micro Focus recommended Infuse to me because they were their specialist partner in the higher education sector. So that was the deciding factor with Infuse. We wanted Infuse to help us with setting up our tools initially, so having the expertise to integrate the tools with the various other bits of software that we needed to integrate them with, and then to build up a regression test pack for us.
The benefits of automation are that when Infuse hit the ground, we could, using a risk-based approach, we could quickly and easily identify good candidates for automation. And based on that, we were able to take high-profile problems and solve them relatively quickly.
At the early stages of our latest development, we are saving 4 man-weeks of manual testing every night. As we go forward, that's going to build up and build up. We will, before too long, we'll be saving many man-months of manual testing every night by automated regression testing. I have a rough figure in my head from past experience that it takes about, the cost is about a quarter of doing regression testing using automated tools rather than manually. But I think even more important that is the speed that you can do it. So you can actually do your regression testing in hours rather than days and weeks. So for a major program, it just makes the whole thing doable in a much shorter time frame. Yes, we've found that Infuse have helped us to be at the forefront of automation, both within the University of Bristol and I would say across the UK university sector in general. With the latest release of the program, we've automated it very, very quickly. We've got all that integrated with the other tools very quickly, and as I said previously, we are now, within a very short space of time, we've been able to have a nightly run of our automated regression test pack, which has given us a huge amount of confidence in the program, which wasn't present before. I think it's absolutely essential in the modern world, and I think if you look at the job, just looking at the job market now, you won't find any job adverts for manual testers anymore. It's everybody is looking for automated testers, and the reason for that is that if with the pressures on cost and time that modern projects and programs are under, you just can't do it without automated testing, in my view.